Dr. Abdul Hamid Zargar, an endocrinologist from Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. It's a pleasure being a part of faculty of RSSDI 2021. One has been a faculty with for decades, right from its inception. And today, I'm talking on a very unique and different topic, not usually discussed in different diabetes forums. Gut microbiota in type 2 diabetes mellitus. I was really amazed when I was working for this talk that the amount of diversity of gut microbes we have in our body stunned me. On an average, a human body harbors 100 trillion bacteria. Can you beat it? Which will be many times the genome of the human body itself. And when we get birth, when we are born, in womb, the whole gut is sterile. The moment we are born, the bacteria start harboring the gut right from our nares, the nostrils, the mucosa, the intestinal tract as such. And we inhale. And by first year, from total sterility to total colonization, the gut gets occupied. And by the fourth birthday, our gut is as much colonized as in any adult. Now, what has come to the fore that this unique symbiotic relationship between certain bacteria and human beings has helped in survival. This gut flora is important for maintaining the integrity of the intestinal mucosa, the permeability, the barrier that it proves. And it has immune value and also helps in synthesizing certain essential nutrients for the body. And if this gut flora gets sick, if abnormal cells, bacteria harbor this gut, this symbiotic relationship gets hampered with. And what happens as a consequence, these abnormal microbes change the permeability of the gut, change this immune status of the gut. And certain toxic substances gain access to the intravascular compartment. And this is known as metabolic endotoxemia. And these substances do impact adipocytes, hepatocytes, myocytes. And a huge amount of data has come up that shows that they may be responsible for creating a state of insulin resistance. And all of us know the whole gamut of type 2 diabetes mellitus, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, cardiovascular disease, starts with that insulin resistance. Now, a lot of work has gone into saying that whether this option could be used for therapeutic purposes, altering the diet to make the gut microbiome as good as it is in a non-sick individual. People have been trying to go probiotics, which will combat the impact of abnormal microbes. A lot of drugs have been shown to normalize this gut flora. And fortunately, you know, the drug very commonly used in type 2 diabetes, metformin, there are some data which suggests that they might help in normalizing this gut flora. And it might be one of its mechanisms. In fact, bariatric surgery has been shown to change the gut flora for good. So all said and done, I'm sure that this is an exciting area which we'll be looking at in coming years and decades. And thank you so much for listening to me. And I hope and pray that you will listen to the talk during the actual meeting, which is about to commence. Pleasure talking to you.